Hi guys, going to do circuit number 3 for the Science Fair 201 kit. Hopefully it'll be fairly quick. What will be nice is if I can do it without making a mistake, because I made a mistake on number 1 and a mistake on number 2, so 100% failure rate so far. This one's called Electronic Candle. And I think what it is there's a sensor on the front here that we're going to blow on to blow it out. We'll find out. Right, 1 to 64. Number 1 to number 64. 1, 64. That's a relay. 2 to 170. 2 to 170. That's an LED. 44 to 62. Oh, just there. Short one. 44 to 62, then 62 to 55. And then 55 to 172. Go blue. 55, 172. That's labelled as a CDS cell. 57 to 58. 57 to 58. 59 to 169. 68 to 169, the other side of the LED. Use a blue one. What should I say? 59 to 169. 59 to 169. Okay. 60 to 140. All the way over here. Another one of the long ones. That's the on-off switch. 61. The relay to 43, just there. 61, 43. And then to 77. Across to there. 65 to 78. Transistor. 65 to 78. And then from 78 to 141. The other side of the switch. And then from 141 to 139, just across there. And then 76 transistor to 138, just the midpoint there. Last one, 137 to 171. The other side of the CDS cell. 137 to 171. Okay. Works best in a dark room. Turn the control knob on. Just to a point where the LED is just about on. Okay, got the LED down here. I'll move the camera in a minute. You can hear the relay click in and out. Then tell your friend you must light the candle with a flashlight. We don't blow on it, we shine a light on the front panel. So the CDS cell must respond to light. That makes sense? We need a candle. Let's see if this one works. Cover that. Right, that is working, but that's too bright for you to be able to see it, so I'll get a different torch. Right, I'll just adjust the brightness on the camera. So that's actually brightened it up a bit. What we're looking for is this LED to turn on by shining a light on that light detector. LDR, I would have called it. They call it a CDS or something. So if I shine a light on there, it's not coming on. Not enough brightness. So let's turn that up a tiny bit. That's it. Cover it. Shine a light on it. Comes on. Yep, we are detecting light. It's not quite what they said. They said you're going to blow on it, but then they changed it to shine a light on it. Yeah, that works. Cover it. Shine a light on it. I do like this. They were ever so cheap. Pound in Poundland. So that's it. Another one done. Just a quick look at the instructions there. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.